Whenever you return a computer or a printer to the store because it doesn't work, that product is later purchased by an Austin company, and that company claims to keep millions of pounds of electronics from winding up in a landfill. Only on Austin News Today, Kate Whiteout with details.
What looks like a warehouse for printers and computers is actually the site where unwanted electronics wind up.
If for any reason you bring them back to the person you bought it from, eventually they end up here.
Image Microsystems in North Austin is what you call an e-recycler. They take electronics that have been returned to a store and try to either refurbish it for resale, or if that doesn't work, it winds up being taken apart piece by piece and ground up into what looks like dough. With a little heat and a mold, that printer becomes a stepping stone made from 100% recycled plastic.
We have kept 60 million pounds of e-waste from landfill or overseas dumping.
While the company is making a big impact on the environment, they felt that wasn't enough. 4 years ago, they started to hire graduates from the Texas School for the Deaf.
And it's become more than just a mission, but a purpose for us to be here and to help out in our community.
Today, 40% of their employees are deaf, like Dennis Stickrod, who works in the accounting department.
It's kind of like a deaf world here compared with other different companies, you know. They tend to have just one deaf worker, and there's many hearing people, and you feel very isolated, but here it's very different.
And you might think on an assembly line it would be difficult for the hearing employees to communicate with the deaf ones, but it somehow works out.
I see that they're starting to fingerspell, and they're gesturing with each other, and they figure it out, but it's not difficult for them.
And they enjoy working for a company that's doing something good for the environment. Kate Whiteout, KXAN, Austin News.
And last year, Image Microsystems received the Texas Environmental Award for their recycling efforts.
Good for them.